So guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you the ultimate cold calling script that I'm using to get agency retainers clients, and I'm going to show you this step by step. Let's get right into it. So here is the goal, here is the steps. The first step when you are trying to get a meeting by cold calling is to disarm your prospect. First, you need to disarm them. The second step, and this is very important, is that you need to tell the reason why you're calling, and it needs to be very short. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Third, you need to qualify your prospect, because look, you want to filter. You don't want to work with everybody, especially if your client will be a pain for you. You want high quality clients. And finally, the last step is to close the meeting. So let's get right into it. The first thing that we are going to see is, I'm going to up like this, is the attention grabber. How to disarm your prospect by getting their attention, basically. You know your prospect, they are in their day, they are doing their task, they are working, and you're cold calling them. It's a little bit uncomfortable for them. So you need to get their attention. You need to take them from what they were doing and actually listen to you. So hello, John, you always use the name. Hello, John. The reason I'm calling you, directly say the reason. The reason I'm calling you today is because I want to meet you very much, and now you shut up. And that's all. You just don't say anything, guys. This is so powerful. You just don't say a word and you wait. Hello, John. The reason I'm calling you today is because I want to meet you very much. Now look, the name of the person is very important, and it's the sweetest sound for a person is the sound of their own name. So you need to find their name when you're prospecting, like prior to the call. But yeah, that's basically it. Hello, John. The reason I'm calling you is because I want to meet you very much. After they will tell you, okay, why do you want to meet me? Well, now you need to wow them. Now is the 15 seconds where you got to wow them. Even guys, I would recommend you to overpromise a little bit, but that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So I run a social media marketing agency, and I help your niche to make more money through social media marketing. Basically, your message should be like this all the time. I help the niche, okay? So we are going to put I help niche. It could be real estate, it could be gyms, it could be anything. Just you need to know your niche, basically. I help personal trainers, I help gym, I help anyway. Anything you want, your niche. To what you are doing, to manage social media using SMM, social media marketing, Facebook, Instagram, SEO, LinkedIn, whatever you are doing, guys. But it's very useful to have this message in place, because it helps you know exactly what you're offering to your clients. Now, for this power phrase, I would always recommend you to use numbers. For example, instead of having this sentence, you could have I help gyms to increase their profits by 30% using social media marketing. And numbers are really powerful. Again, we are a little bit overpromising, but maybe you are already getting those kinds of results. But it's important to wow them in order to get their attention and to make them want to meet you. So now let's get to the reason. Well, you know, the reason I'm calling you today is because I came across your business online. You can even say the name of their website. I came across your business, and I noticed that you're leaving a lot of money on the table. The reason I want to set up a meeting today with you is because I want to give you a free. So look, we are doing marketing even in this call. We are basically offering them something free. And what will be the offer? Well, the offer could be one of the following: a free demo. Wait, up like this. It could be a free demo. It could be a free marketing blueprint. a strategy, a funnel, It could be, and this is like so powerful, this last, a free consulting audit. It's very useful if they have social medias that are underperforming. So if their social media sucks, you know exactly what you need to do. So the reason I want to set up a meeting with you is because I want to give you a free consulting, a free audit that will help you and your team perform crazily on social media. Now that you get this, you need to qualify your prospect because you want high quality meeting and high quality clients. Now, to make sure I'm not wasting your time, let me ask you, and this is, guys, this is the most powerful phrase. I've been testing this stuff like for almost 2 years now, and this is the most powerful thing that I've ever seen, is this sentence. So let me ask you, how are you managing your social media today, your Facebook campaigns, or whatever your service? How you are managing your social media, and why this is so powerful? Because you assume that they are already doing it, and they will feel pain, and that's good. They need to feel pain. They will tell you, we are not managing our social media. We are doing it by ourselves. We are doing it sometimes, or they need to feel pain. Now, finally, the closing part. You need to stock them in a choice. And as you can see, guys, I've even didn't sell my service yet. It's just the only objective of a cold call is to get a meeting, and now we are going to close them if they qualify. And the key to closing them is to stock them in a choice. So what works better for you, later in the day or in the week? We could say, what works better for you to meet me? What works better for you to meet me, later in the day or in the week? So they will tell you, for example, okay, yeah, this week feel good, yeah? Okay, Wednesday or Friday? Always don't ask open question. Don't ask closed questions that they have to answer yes or no. Always stock them in a choice. Okay, Wednesday or Friday? They will tell you, okay, Friday. Okay, Friday works great for me. Okay, Friday at 10 a.m. or 4 p.m. Always stock them in a choice and you will get your meeting. This is very powerful. Last step, you need to confirm the meeting. Now, would there be any reason whatsoever you wouldn't be able to show up on this date and time? And they will tell you, no, I am going to show up, I will be there, yeah, this is noted. And this is just so that you don't lose your time and that you actually confirm this meeting. So guys, this is actually the ultimate cold calling script. And let's get to some tips now to make this work. The first thing is that I see a lot of people experience fear. Now remember, it's not about you. That's how I took a fear of cold calling. It's about them. You know that you have the service in place, that you can get them the results. You know social media marketing, right? And it's not about you, it's about them. You can help them, you can save them with a new revenue stream. Half the battle, guys, is being excited and having authority. You can't be boring. Now, look, you have to be excited. That's a must. Even if it's your 30 call and you didn't get any meeting yet, you need to stay excited. And I'm telling you, like 30 call, you will get at least 3 meetings, but always, whatever the amount of call, always stay excited for the next call and have authority. Speak like you are the expert, you know social media, and you're here to guide them, basically. You need to take responsibility of the call. Now let's get to some objections. Well, for objections, what works the best is to always agree with the objection. So guys, always agree with your customers. I think that's the most important idea that I understand about sales. Like, you can't say no to your customers, basically. Even if they are not right, you need to agree with them. You need to be in the same waves. Yeah, and I understand you. Yes, that's right. Okay, yeah, of course. You need to always understand them and agree with them. It doesn't mean that they are right. They can be wrong, but you need to understand them and to acknowledge them. If they tell you, no, we are good, thanks. So I completely understand. always agree with the objection. I completely understand. Normally when I say that to people that are calling me about possibility of new revenues, for example, I usually think that we are good as well. Just, okay, if they say we are good, yeah, I'm good as well. I get where it's coming from. You don't know the value yet. The danger is that this could be a whole shift for your business, and at least it will give you an idea, an alternative, an option. So just tell them like, hey, it costs you nothing. I'm going to give you a free audit. It just can be an idea, an alternative, an option for you, and you don't know the value yet. This is one of the objections that will get the most. It's very annoying, but you can get past through it very easily. So send me an email. Well, I understand you want an email. That's perfect. That's really awesome. I'm going to, by the way, what's your email? Now look, I do all my demo live. It's not taking a long time, and it will be great value to you. And guys, then you always go back for the appointment. Don't try to talk more about the value. Don't sell your service. Go back to the appointment. You always go back to it, no matter what the objection. So, for example, now look, I do all my demo live. It's really not taking a long time, and it will be a great value to you. I will give you a script, an audit, a consulting that your team can use, and they will be able to achieve great results with it. Now, what works the best for you? Wednesday or Friday? So you always go back to the appointment. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Now, if you have any questions, DM me in the comments or in Instagram, okay? I answer all DMs. I've put a free case study to show you how you can scale to 6 figures or 7 figures, depending on when you are with your business, with your SMMA. And just watch this case study, and if it's interesting you, we can even personalize your own script for cold calling. And I want to show you step by step a proven system to get a lot. And I'm telling you, any meetings you want, meetings on demand, guys. So just make sure you checked this free case study in the description. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I answer all DMs, and see you guys in the next video.